Hey friends, Lucien here with the Bullish Bears team. Wanted to make this quick video to show you a couple trades that I made earlier today in the, I posted them in our Skype chat room. This was on the stock HIMX. I'll call it HIMX, whatever, that's what I wanted to call it. But I made two successful shorts earlier. It was right before lunch. I was actually on the way to go to the gym, and I just saw that this stock HIMX was creating basically a head and shoulders pattern on the 5 minute here. You'll see a left shoulder, a head, followed by a right shoulder. So I was looking to get a quick scalp out of it. I traded it twice. The first time I made about 9 cents, I believe, off it, and the second one was 8 cents. And again, I was kind of in a rush. I really wasn't paying attention, but I wanted to see it. Basically, if you see the pattern here, on the 5 minute, you'll see the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. I got in, it was right around here. It was around 1140 to 1155 range. I'll show you on the 1 minute, basically right where I got in around. But what I was looking to do is see, because it was obviously it broke over the $8, which is a psychological resistance point, and then right here you can see it was having trouble staying above or breaking the 817 mark, and it came down. And then it went up and retested a little bit over $8. And so I was waiting for it to fall below the $8, and then I wanted to see it go down and see what it was going to do, if it was going to bounce off VWAP or fall below it. I wasn't looking to hold it for long anyway, because again, I was on the way to the gym, was before lunch. I was looking just to make a quick scalp off it, which is what I did do. I thought I'd make maybe a little bit more than 15 cents, but I got about 9 cents and 8 cents, so I did it twice because I got nervous because it did a little bounce and it went up. So as you can see in the 5 minute here, it kind of did fall down. It did smack off of VWAP, and then it bounced back up again, came back down to VWAP. So I actually tested it twice, or traded it twice within this here. Again, I was kind of in a rush. If I was holding it longer, or if I was going to hold it through lunch, which I don't do, but if I was going to trade it longer, then I could have waited and excuse me, waited for it to fall, see if it did fall below VWAP, which it did, and you see I could have made even more. So the first time I got in was over here on the 1 minute chart. I got in, my entry was, again, it was a short. My entry was at 796. Let me see if I can find out where it was. It was like right in this area right here, like right down. Okay, right here, 796. 796, and I covered at 788. So you can see on the next candle down, I think it went all the way down. It's right down. It was right in between one of these candlesticks here, right? I know it covered me at 788, so it may have been right in here. So you'll see I caught it when it fell at 796. It was falling below. You'll see that the 9 is below the 20 EMA. The candlesticks were falling below the 9, and then I covered here. It was right within the first few minutes. And then, so it was 796 covered at 788. I'm sorry, 795, and I covered at 786. That's what it was. So it was 9 cents. So 795, yeah, it's right in here, and it came down. And so I must have covered right in this area here, right in 786. So that was that. And then what happened was it fell down again, and then it went up. And then I got back in at 796, which is really weird. That's where it filled me at. But so maybe I got a bad fill on it, because I got in filled at 796 the second time, and I covered at 88. So maybe I got a high fill. I don't know what happened there, but it was right in here, because I went to retest. I didn't know if I was going to retest $8, so I got back in again because it looked like it was about to fall. And then I covered, like I said, it was around 788. So I think I got it right in this candle, right in between here. So it was like right up in here, and got it right down in here, and then I went off to lunch. Again, I didn't hold longer. Obviously, you can see here it started to fall afternoon, but I wasn't planning on holding. But again, the first short I got was 9 cents. The second one was 8 cents. I must have got a bad fill on the second one, but that was two shorts off. Couple quick scalps here on the trade HIMX. Posted it in the trade room. If you're not a member of our trading room yet, come and join us. We have a free trade room that we offer to our community. You'll see here over at bullishbears.com. If you, oops, what's going on here. You'll see here under the About section, we have Trade Room here where you can just come join our Trade Room directly, or you could also subscribe to our email service, which will also enter you into our Trade Room. Either way, we send out our daily watch list. You can see here, there's Tim. By subscribing to our email or joining our Trade Room, we send out our Omar's daily watch list. We also post the trade idea scans every day within our Skype chat room. So make sure you come and join us. We have a lot of fun every day. Talked about those trades when I was in there today. I believe Joey was talking about it too. I think he got in on it on HIMX as well. But yeah, hopefully this helped you. Just wanted to show you again how it worked. I was looking again at the head and shoulders pattern that you see here, a very classic pattern that happened. Had a good run up, pulled back. You can see the head going, started to fail here, and started falling down. It's all just looking at charts and patterns and following the technicals, and that's how I made 2 quick scalps today off of HIMX. So hopefully this helped you. Come join us in our trade room. If you're not a member of our Facebook community yet, also make sure to come and join us. You can go over to bullishbears.com and join our Facebook community. So we do our best, always try to provide valuable content to our members. Again, you can come and shadow us in our trade room every day. A lot of traders from around the world really helping each other out with learning the stock market. So make sure you come join us if you're not a member of our chat room. So again, hopefully this helped you. See you in our community. Enjoy.